get loads and loads of comments saying my skincare routine, what is it? Your acne's cleared up a lot since that McDonald's video back in the day. I don't know if you've seen, but on Facebook there's this video going around. So what you do, you put in these Monopoly codes for McDonald's, because obviously they've restarted Monopoly, and you can get free food. So we're gonna go try it out. The amount of comments I get on that video saying, you know what, Dylan, you know, this geezer should not be having McDonald's, have you seen his face? What is that on your face? I understand that my acne was very bad. Who knows why I could have picked it? I could have done many things. It could have been genetics. No one realistically knows. And I figured I'd make this video because I know how much of a struggle having acne is. Because I know how painful it is. And I actually got it at one of the worst times, personally, was when it hit me bad. So I was in year 12, literally just moved to a new school. I was kind of making friends, you know. I mean, it doesn't help with the girls. And obviously when you go to a new school, you want to make a good impression. And then boom, I got hit with quite severe acne, to be honest. You could always catch people at the corner of your eye looking at your acne, and it just wasn't good. And I went on BBC Three and talked about this in the thing where I was like, things not to say with people with acne, and Ibsmo, shout out to him, he got me on there. People just kind of assume that like I deep fry my breakfast, my lunch and my dinner. Now if you look at it right now, through this lens it does not look too bad at all. It's cleaned up a lot, and it's something that has been a long time in the coming. I've been cleaning my face, not touching my face for the last 3 years now, since year 12, 2 years even. So I'm going to bring you all the tips that I use to help clear up my acne a lot, because to be honest, medication didn't work at first, and there was other stuff that I'd done which actually cleared up my acne a lot. One thing I would say though is that although my acne's cleared up a lot on my face, my back for whatever reason recently has got bad, like badder than it ever was before. Now the main 3 ways that I cleared up my acne, especially when it was at the points when it was very bad, was first up, every morning I would literally wake up, head straight to the bathroom, get the shower, power shower, like spin it round so that the water comes out very viciously, and I would just lean over the bath, and I'd obviously wash my hair, but I'd like spray my face for like a good 30 to 40 seconds every morning and evening with the power shower, and I'll insert a clip now of me doing that. And I literally still do this even to this day every morning and evening, and I honestly believe that's what helped kind of clear up my face. Now at the same time as doing that, there was 2 other products that I was using at one point, and this was this organic face wash from, I would leave it on for a lot longer than recommended, like probably about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Yeah, it just purified my skin, and I would leave it on for longer and I'd feel a burn, and like, you know, I don't know what it was, but I could definitely feel it was working. And then at the same time, I used this face mask, and I tried to use like one of these, like pretty much use these interchangeably, like this twice a week, this pretty much every time I remembered I would use it. Although it did make my skin quite red and did kind of burn, I did find it very useful and very helpful. And they were the 3 things that when medication failed me and I realised that the medication I was taking was literally making my acne worse when I first took it, and then by the end of the course it would just be back to how it was before it got made worse by the actual medication. So I was kind of stuck in like in a circle of that. So I kind of stopped taking medication, then I'd done that and my acne started to get a bit better, like the pus started to disappear and it started to go down a bit, and then it was a lot better. And then I literally about 4 months ago from now, so it cleared up, but it still wasn't as good as it is now, and I started I went to the doctors again. I asked to be on some new tablets, and I'm currently on the tablets that are not roacutane, but they're 1 down from that, and then you can see them here. So I take 2 of these every day. And also at the same time I've been using this cream right here, which was also prescribed to me at the same time, which supposedly contains some roacutane in. I'm not too sure how much, but basically I think, well, my acne's got better. I haven't really noticed that many side effects with them, but this stuff is good as well, because basically what it does, it dries up the skin around like your face and makes it peel. So obviously there's been some days where I've woken up at uni and literally my skin's been like dry, and I'm like, oh god, I'm gonna have to go out like this. But in the long run I kind of know how worth it is, and like there'll be nights when I put this on and my face is just burning, but I just kind of firm it just purely because I want to have clear skin. So I honestly feel like the things that cleared up for me was, at first, washing my face every morning and evening is so key with the power shower. The power bit is key. And then these 2, a combination of these 2 creams. And then now I'm currently just kind of really on these 2, and I just still wash my face every morning. So, and these tablets I've taken so far are the only tablets that I believed work for my acne. And yeah, to be honest, that is how I cleared up my acne. Now I know I said that very fast, but if you do have any questions, do message me. And also in regards to time, like my acne got bad in year 12. It's only just got better like in the last few months. And I still have breakouts where my acne is looking bad, and I still get the odd spot like here, and so obviously I'm still prone to getting acne, but it's just muted down a lot. So you have to be patient with it. You have to not touch your face at all. That is the one killer thing that I keep doing recently that I need to stop again. Don't touch your face. If you have a spot, just leave it. I mean, like, It's bad, but there were points when I had to just go into school, like absolutely so many spots, and I just feel embarrassed, but you just have to do it if you want the acne to go. In the long run, it's a lot better to not touch them now. And honestly, if you just don't touch, don't stress, wash your face, use these products, and maybe go to the doctors and try and get some products as well, your acne should hopefully clear up.